Hello dear all, this is Sadanand Kumar Malik, welcomes you all in entire physics, and today we will discuss about the wave particle duality nature of light. Means here how light behaves as wave and also as particle. We have to study in this topic. So first of all, let us consider a light source. Let us consider a light source of wavelength lambda. Then we know the speed of light is c equals to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and this is known as relativistic limit. Relativistic limit, comma, then obviously Einstein's mass energy relation will be fulfilled. That is, the energy of light is equal to mc square. Equation number 1. Also, light is a radiation, so by Planck's radiation formula, its energy E is equal to h nu. Equation number 2, where h is equal to 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule into second, and known as Planck's constant. And nu is the frequency of the light. So here from equation 1 and from equation 2 we have the energy of considered light source. So here equation 2 and 1 will be equated. So mc square is equals to h nu, or m into c is equal to h nu upon c, means both sides are divided by c. Now we know the speed of a wave, means velocity of a wave, c is equals to nu lambda. Therefore, by using this we can write nu upon c is equals to 1 upon lambda. Substituting this value of nu upon c in this equation, then we can write m into c is equal to h upon lambda. Now if we study both sides of the above equation, then it is concluded that from left hand side, means left hand side gives, look here beta, in the left hand side m, mass indicates that it's a property of a particle. Means from left hand side mass indicates that in the light the nature of property is there. So left hand side gives particle nature because mass exists there. And right hand side gives, because in right hand side lambda h is constant, so it will not affect the property. Then lambda, because lambda is a wavelength and wavelength is a property of wave, so right hand side gives the wave nature of light. So by this way, this equation gives the wave and particle duality nature of light. Know that in equation m into c means mass into velocity. We know mass into velocity means momentum p is equals to h upon lambda. Now we can write it, lambda is equals to h upon p. This is a de Broglie equation. Suppose equation number 3. Here lambda is called de Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength. And conclusion, let us discuss about the conclusion. According to de Broglie, each moving particle is always associated with a wave. It is known as matter wave.